Hi, I'm Donna from Lost Closet 12, and I am here with you with what sold over the weekend. And let me tell you right now, it is not impressive. But I had slowed my roll a little bit because, sometimes you gotta take it easy and take care of yourself, and that's what I did. And I'm going to start off. I had a Poshmark sale, and this was probably my fastest sale. And I just looked to see what these things sold for so I could tell you, but now it has slipped my mind. These are Easy Spirit. I believe they are Easy Spirit. The Easy Spirit slip-on mule shoe sneaker. They're leather. I couldn't get that off. Normally 90% alcohol takes off like almost every permanent marker, but I think because it's on a textured area, it was just hanging tight. So I was like, it's okay, I'll just list it like that. Easy Spirit is not a Bolo brand, but I thought the style was cute and they're perfect for the season. I think they sold for like 20-ish on Poshmark, but I could be wrong. This is a plush that my husband had pulled out of the bins. I think it says Carnival plush on the tag. No, it says Cloud 9. But I put Carnival plush in the title because this feels like the type of plush you might receive if you won one of those games on like a state fair or the boardwalk, a theme park, where you like play a game and if you win, you get a plush. He's real stiff. He stands. I know you can't see that, but he stands and he's super cute with his eyes. So, he's got fuzzies on him, but, I've had him for a while. I've had him for like 2 years. The sneakers I had for maybe a month or two. These are from one of my first jewelry bags, and they are from my very first jewelry bag unboxing mystery, however I entitled it. And I learned so much, and I'm so new to jewelry, like I really don't know what I'm looking at all the time. I know I've learned some terms, I've learned some stones, I'm learning how to test for silver and gold. I have a little bag that I'm going to go take to a place and they'll probably test it and let me know if I'm right or wrong. But I think it's silver, but I'm not 100% positive. Well, anyway, this is like a belly dance earring. It's JUMKAS or something like that. I'll put it down here, meaning little bells. I use ethnic belly dance little bells. They have a little bit of weight to them, but they were so cute with peacocks. And I almost grabbed the wrong ones. I did not know that I have 2 sets of peacock earrings. This one is a pair of peacocks, and then the other one is just a single peacock with a different type of smaller bell. That sold for like $10 on eBay. And I wasn't running a sale. I was like, I normally do run sales every weekend, so I have product to show you to make a ship with me video. But I decided I don't need to do a sale every week. I'm just going to take it easy and take care of me. So that is it, the 3 things for the weekend. So maybe one for Friday, Saturday, and one for today. But I think they sold Friday and Saturday. I did receive an offer on a hat. I think I accepted it. I'm going to have to double check. And that might sell tonight as well if they pay me for it, if I accepted it. I remember seeing it, but I don't remember accepting it. So I'm going to bring you down so you can watch me ship. And if you hear little kids downstairs, that they would be my grandbabies, they're having fun with their mom and their pop. So they're very young and very energetic. So I'm going to bring you I think that, yeah, I was just having a boo-boo with the camera little clamp moving slowly forwards when I was trying to talk. So that is it. And I did fix it because it's not going anywhere right now. It was just a little loose. That is it for this weekend's trip with me. And today is Easter, so I forgot to mention in the beginning of my video, Happy Easter. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. You won't see this until Wednesday, but, you know, celebrate Easter all week. So, maybe I'll have some extra hard-boiled eggs or something to have some egg salad. And I will catch you on the next one. I'm trying to make 2 to 3 videos a week. If I had written enough to go sourcing, I will go sourcing and do a thrift haul that would come out on Mondays. I don't have any prepared, and I do have a small haul. I think it's Yankee wax candle melt or something like that. They're all Yankee. I didn't write them because they're very fragrant and I don't know where to store them that smell is not going to get on like clothing and stuff. So they're just hanging out to the side. And thrift hauls would come out on Mondays. What sold over the weekend comes out on Wednesdays. And Flipped Friday comes out on Fridays. I might switch that to every 2 weeks because sometimes I don't know, I've had a rough couple weeks, so maybe it's not as bad as I'm thinking it is, but sometimes I feel like it's a lot to get 3 videos out a week. It sounds like it wouldn't be, but when you're actually doing it and you're still working full-time and trying to write listings and sourcing, it sometimes feels like a lot. So we'll see, and enjoy your Easter, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.